I have no ladders. Just gonna.
God save what?
Oh man, here we go. That means that one of them's done.
Let's sneak up. Let's sneak up. Can we just sneak up at
Yeah, sneak up and see if we hear anything.
Armored door, imagine.
Yeah. He's in there. You heard that, right?
No.
Yeah, I just now heard someone walk on sheet metal. Oh, one door. Never mind. You're right. Fuck. Well, that makes me way more comfortable.
I just start going through. Here's someone in snow.
Wasn't me. I did not uncrouch.
I'm reloading. Can you hear me when I reload?
Possibly.
Okay. I should just start going through the door. And just instead of just sitting here, right?
I kind of just want to know, like, okay, their front door's over here, and there's twig stairs.
Alright, tell me when.
Okay, 1 minute. Just get positioned over here on this rock to where I have eyes on the door with my L9. 1 minute. Alright, go.
I am the misfit that nobody likes. I am colder than ice. I will hold up your life. You bigging you up, you were so overhyped. You were no good with mics, you'll be gone overnight. I saw my window and I dove in it right. Plus the flow is precise. I'm just rolling the dice. You claim that you got this shit on lock, thinking you safe, but homie, I done broken it twice.
Don't see the TC.
Metal. Wait, what? Okay.
TC's behind this wall. Like, what the fuck?
That. I mean. There's a lot of metal in here, but. I mean. I don't know what the world. We can either wait for them. It might be coming out popping.
No,
here.
there's a fucking door over here that goes into TC, John.
Really?
Yeah, on the other side. They have a door that goes into it. Other side.
Oh, okay. No wonder. Ugh.
Oh, their front door is
Watching
open.
Charcoal just came out.
That'd be like a secret, like, little stash room or some shit.
Good?
Yep, hit him once. He's just hiding again. I'm good.
Where is he?
Inside of the front door, hiding again.
It's broke.
There's two guys outside. Both outside. They're weird, John. They're weird. You just do whatever the fuck you gotta do. 1 minute.
Yeah,
Big
door.
TC. Wait, are all their doors are open, I think. And they're fucking flanking him. Hit him once. There's one on that left side of the furnace base.
Yep.
And the other one is behind their main base still. He hasn't crossed.
Oh.
Back up.
Yeah, I think he has an L96. Not even joking.
Body shot, headshot him.
Where is he?
I don't know, but I'm up top here. 1 minute.
Hit him.
That guy's dead.
Okay.
I think there's one like close to me. Oh. Look out.
Hit him twice.
Yeah. Fell back. Oh,
No, he's right here. There's
yeah,
another
no, there's another one. That guy's dead. Last guy is that
coming
guy
out.
that lit you up.
Got it, Timmy.
Okay.
There he is. Oh, okay. How did he just hit me? He's behind the rock back there.
Yeah, I know. He's peeking. Headshot on a riot helmet.
He might be dead. Check.
Yeah.
Check.
I can't. 10 seconds. He easily could be dead, but
I see a body. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead, Dylan.
yeah.
Can you get TC and put your own door down, please?
Oh, that TC doesn't even have a code lock, so 1 minute. You guys came out with tools on them.
I would put on TC. I can make another.
Oh, this guy, I'm good. He came out naked. Wait. So put it on TC door, you said, or what? Like,
yeah,
I don't know.
Just block it off. Kill another. Doors
These
open?
guys like leave the door open. Like, I'm not joking. Like, I think that all the doors are open.
Oh, it's. Wait. This
Oh,
shotgun. Get this guy's stuff.
We
Dylan.
could raid this right now. Actually,
I'm stacked, Dylan.
You are?
Yeah, like I need you to get his stuff. I'm gonna hold the door.
Got it. Any gun on the ground? I don't see
I
anything.
just dropped the door. Just don't get in my way, cause I might hit you. I have so many doors. Wait.
These guys are fucking weirdos.
Left side. Another shotgun shot behind it. Did you get the door?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
making
here, man.
code lock right here. Right here. 1 second, and there you
Dropping
go.
1 mid. Why am I building block now? Oh, it's because I'm building block like over there, like on that side. I have to clear this.
Killed
Not
another
even-
door open.
I'm not even able to put a door down on the front jump.
Killed another door open. 3
Really?
doors deep.
Yeah, we need to start trying to bait this shoddy trap or
Oh
some
my
shit
god,
here in
there's
1
two.
minute. Oh,
And a turret. Dude.
dude, like it's all open in there.
Wait.
What the fuck?
Wait. Oh, he's right there.
Why is this thing not shooting?
What?
Shoddy trap, like it's not shooting.
I mean, you're not getting in the way of it. I don't think.
Okay, there it is.
Go another door. Again. I don't know what.
Okay, this is our plan. Oh, yikes, that one just now hit me.
You put the door down and stuff.
TC, yeah.
Like on the main entrance.
No, I can't. This TC takes it over.
And he's on the your side. You can shoot him from an angle.
Headshot dead.
One on the right side. Headshot, hazmat
Nice.
dead. There's another guy in there. Dude, if, honestly, like Dylan, with that Thompson, I might try breaking shoddy traps. I think we can go deep on these guys. Hold the
Yeah.
entrance, okay?
Yep. Just now shut it. God damn it.
Fine. They're gonna keep opening it anyway.
Body shot one.
I killed him.
Oh shit, they have an L96 in there now.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Doors are
They
open.
shot another one. That was desyncing.
Oh my god. One dead. Oh!
No, John.
Full 100 health, I just got one tap.
And I just now got one tap too. And
Wow.
worst part is it was more desync. Only one that I have seen is one outside to the right on a rock. And he's there right now. Now he kind of fell down. He's jumping. Now he's behind the furnace base. Coming around.
One dead.
Okay. The other guy's coming
in front
around.
of
He's
the
going to
door.
be on the right side. Full road sign.
He's dead.
Nice. There's just 2 nakeds outside right now.
Killed him.
Yeah. I'm here.
Get the stuff.
Yep. Oh, they're fucking out, I'm pretty sure. They're over there.
Get in. I'm dead.
And I can't get out.
Oh wait, is the door open?
No, it's not open.
Oh, okay, thank God. They're not
Open up
gonna
this door.
expect this. Huh?
Open up this door. I just now heard one inside of the furnace base, like the actual furnace base.
Really? I didn't hear anything.
Oh, they're outside over there.
He's dead.
He's dead.
Kill the naked, kill the naked.
Someone underneath us. I swear that I heard someone inside of the furnace base somewhere.
Should we just get out of here on a boat?
I guess.
Definitely did profit guns.
Oh yeah, shit ton of guns. Trying it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dumbass. Aww. You can go through the ice, you know.
I thought you could. It makes sense.
You can go through the ice, you know. Just gonna.
Oh no, Helly's right here.
Oh no. Oh my god.
What?
A minute. I'm just waiting for it
Yeah,
to come
we're
over
sinking.
here. Not even moving.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. No wonder why we were moving. Yep. Oh my.
Dumbass, 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 dumbass.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, negative, yep, negative 45.
Hey, mama called, said remember why you started. Real pops taught me when shit get hard to just go harder. All the things I used to want, I went and got them. Starting to think that I was better off without them. Real mama called, said remember why you started. Yeah.